Suppose you're a Windows user looking for an ultra thin and ultra lightweight laptop, this has to be it. This is the Asus Zenbook S13 OLED, and Asus says it's 1 cm thick and 1 kg in weight. Let's verify that. Wow, it's true. It also comes with a 2.8K OLED HDR NanoEdge display that produces ultra vivid colors, and it's an Intel Evo certified laptop delivering uncompromising performance in this ultra thin and light chassis. So it's thin and light, but how well does it perform, and is it worth buying? Well, let's find out. Now, the packaging of this laptop is different. It comes in this eco-friendly box that consists of FSC mixed certified paper, which means the paper is sourced from reasonably managed forest and it is 100% recyclable. It comes with a 65 watts USB Type-C fast charger that charges this laptop from 0 to 70% in 49 minutes. It also comes with a sleeve that feels good to the touch, a user guide, and a quick start guide manual. Now here's the star of the show, and she looks beautiful in this basalt gray color. It also comes in ponder blue color, which looks beautiful. Now check this out, you can even use this cardboard that you get from the box as a stand. And if you scan this part of the box, you get to see this cool AR effect. Now let's talk about the chassis. It's made from aluminum alloy. The lid, which is the top part of the laptop, has been transformed into a plasma ceramic aluminum that is exclusive to Asus. The process to create the lid is so unique that no two laptops are alike. It looks great with the Asus monogram, it feels good to the touch, and don't let the size and weight deceive you. This laptop is tough. Now, this laptop is an MIL STD 810H device that passes and exceeds 12 military grade test methods and 26 military grade procedures. Taking a look at the left side, it comes with a full-size HDMI 2.1 port that can support a 4K 60Hz monitor, 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C port that supports display and power delivery. Switching to the right side, it has a 3.5mm audio jack and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port to connect peripherals. Now, when you open the lid, the keyboard lifts up and helps improve your typing experience. The keyboard on this laptop feels good to type on. I like how soft it is, with a pitch of 18.7mm. By the way, the pitch is the distance between the middle of a key to the middle of another key, and with that, you will be able to type fast on this laptop in no time. The keys are backlit with 3 levels of brightness, and it has a function key for quick shortcuts. Now, moving down to the trackpad, it's large, smooth, and it doesn't attract fingerprints. Also, pressing the right and left key feels solid, and I like the way it sounds. Now, apart from how slim and lightweight this laptop is, the display is another reason why this laptop is amazing. It has a 13.3-inch Lumina OLED display with a NanoEdge panel that has a resolution of 2880 by 1800p, which means it's a 2.8K display. Unlike other OLED panels, the Asus Lumina OLED display provides a superior visual experience. It shows higher contrast range and a wider color range. It is Pantone validated, it covers 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, it supports HDR content, it is VESA True Black certified, and it is factory calibrated to show accurate colors. Now, the peak brightness on this laptop is around 550 nits, which is standard, and with brightness like that, you should be able to use this laptop outdoors. Now, diving into the My Asus app, under customization, you can tweak the colors of the display. Now, this is for people that know what they're doing. I'll just recommend you leave it at normal. This display emits 70% less blue light than LCD panel, so you can use it for long hours without it stressing your eyes. Now, for gamers, I have not so good news. Although the display has a response time of 0.2 milliseconds, which is fast, it's a 60Hz display. Also, it isn't a touch-enabled display, and it can't go 360 degrees, it stops at 180. So the display is great, but what about the performance? This laptop is powered with the 13th Gen Intel Core i7 1355U processor. It has 10 cores and 12 threads and runs at 5 GHz. You can also get this laptop with a 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. It comes in either 8, 16 or 32GB of RAM. The one I have here has 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and it isn't upgradable. For storage, it comes with a 1TB PC Express Gen 4x4 SSD. Now, I'm sure you guys must have noticed this badge over here. What it means is it's an Intel Evo certified laptop, so you get instant wake with facial recognition, fast Wi-Fi connection, and long-lasting battery. Now, the printed circuit board size of this laptop has been reduced by 15%, and with that increase in space and thermal capacity, the overall performance has been increased by 20% compared to last year's model. Also, the wattage has increased from the default 15 watts to 20 watts. And with that type of power, you can use this laptop to edit videos to an extent, you can use it to retouch pictures, It's good for programming and it can handle all your productivity applications perfectly. With the Intel Iris Xe graphics, you can play light games, but it isn't a gaming machine. If you have an Xbox Game Pass subscription and a fast internet connection, you can play titles like Halo, Forza just fine on this laptop. Back to the My Asus app, and under customization, you can change the fan profile. You can set it to performance mode, and that's when you really want to push this laptop, and whisper mode when you want to conserve the battery. Now in performance mode, depending on what you're doing on this laptop, the fan would come on and it gets loud. For connectivity, this laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6E, which is the latest, and with that, you get ultra fast upload and download speed with great range and stable internet connection. Now moving to the webcam, let's test it out. What's up guys, the video you're watching right now is from the Asus Zenbook S13 OLED. I'm using the 1080p webcam. How does it look like from the monitor? It doesn't look bad at all. Also, how does the microphone sound? Let me know what you guys think about the video and audio quality coming out from this laptop in the comment section below. Moving to the speakers on this laptop, they're Harman Kardon certified. They sound great. The bass is a little bit low and the mids and highs are alright. You can actually make them sound a bit louder by enabling the volume booster in the My Asus app. It does make a difference. Now the battery inside this laptop is a 63 watt-hour cell, and from my usage, it's impressive considering the size of this laptop. You should expect to get 12 to 14 hours usage from this laptop, and if you manage to run down the battery, you can use any USB Type-C charger to charge it up or even use a power bank. The manufacturer's suggested retail price of this laptop is 799,990 naira. But you can visit the nearest authorized Asus retailer to find out the actual price. I'm going to add purchase links in the description of this video. It's a laptop for people that prefer a slim, lightweight and fast machine. The OLED panel is incredible. It offers decent performance that can easily handle most of your productivity applications. The 1080p webcam is excellent for virtual meetings, and it has a great battery life that charges fast. Now, it's by no means a gaming laptop. You can use it to edit short videos and the speakers won't blow you away. If you're looking for a gaming laptop, you can check out my review of the Asus TUF-15 over here. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Valor Reviews, signing out.